I sound weird to me. I don't know. Hi guys, it's Fernanda. Welcome back to my channel. I am still sick. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice because I sound weird to me. I don't know. So I am in my classroom. It is Saturday and I actually wasn't planning on filming a video today, but I stopped at my leasing office before I came here to pick up a package that wasn't there from Amazon, and I saw that I had a package from kindergarten crates, and yeah, I'm also drinking sweet tea. So since I am like camera ready and I'm in my classroom, I figured why not just film it real quick and see what's inside. This is the January crate. I actually didn't even know I was getting it. It has 2 kindergarten crates that I got. They emailed me saying that I was getting them, but this time around I didn't. So this was a total surprise. So I'm super excited to see what's inside because it's actually pretty heavy this time around, and I don't know how I can show you without showing you my address. Let's see. I don't know if you can see, but the tape is like barely holding it together. So let's see what's inside. And the first thing I see is a book. You always get a book in these type of boxes. So this one is a Penguin and Pinecone book, a friendship story, and I actually don't own this book. I actually don't have a lot of books. I thought I did, and then I started looking through my books and I actually don't. But this will be a great book to add to my collection. This retails for $7.99. The next thing I see is some blank puzzle pieces. That is so cool. So it looks like this, and they are blank, so you can just write whatever you want. So as you can see, you can write like dog and draw a picture of a dog, or like addition problems, and that's so cool. I think something else that you could do so you're not having to like draw things, I'm not very good at drawing things, at least I don't think I am, is put like a Velcro dot on there and like print something laminated and put it on there. That's what I think I'm gonna do. This is gonna be so cool. I'm actually gonna start tutoring some students after school, so this is gonna be a great thing to use for tutoring. The next thing I see is the teacher treat. So every box you get something for you as a teacher to kind of treat yourself, and it's this little bag of chocolates. This is a dark chocolate pretzel balls. I'm actually not a huge fan of pretzels, but maybe with chocolate it'll taste good. I don't know, I'll try them later. Then, ooh, these are gonna be good. Then we have these erasers, and I don't know if you can see, but they have like happy faces on them. My students are gonna love these. I'm actually gonna put them on the pencils right now. Last time I was here, I went through all the caddies and replaced all the materials with new materials. So they have brand new pencils, brand new crayons, brand new smelling markers, and glue sticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these. You're gonna love them so much. The next thing I see is some Crayola chalk. So that's what it looks like. It's just your typical white chalk. I actually don't have a chalkboard. Actually, I have like a little like chalkboard decal over there, so maybe I can write, ooh, I can write sight words there. I don't know. Ideas. All right, so then I also have this little penguin notepad. It's really small, and it's just like that. I don't really know what I would personally use this for, but maybe I can put this in my... Then we have some solid tempera paint. So it's like twist, uncap, it's uncap, twist, and paint. No water needed. So it's kind of like markers, I guess, but more liquidy. Supposedly it dries in 90 seconds. Okay, so the next thing I have is some half sheets of construction paper. As you can see, they were cut in half, and I think this has to do with the project that they have in mind for this box, so that's cool. If I don't end up doing the project in my classroom, I can still definitely use these half sheets, which will be perfect because we make letter crafts for every single letter we learn, and then after we make it, we put it on a half sheet of paper like this. So I actually have maybe 2 letters that we have not put on construction paper yet. So if I end up not making whatever they suggest for the box, I can definitely use these, and this will save me so much time because I won't have to cut paper myself. Okay, so then the next thing I see is some Carson DeLosa. Okay, so the next thing in the box are some Carson DeLosa penguin stickers. So these are really cute. Actually needed stickers for the month of December. I had Christmas stickers, so of course those are not like up with the times anymore, so these will be really cute to give out when I work with students one-on-one. Okay, so I see what's going on now. All right, so then the last thing in the box are these penguin and pinecone templates. So they go with the book. So this is where all this stuff comes together. So directions say have students use chalk to draw snow on the blue construction paper, then have them color and cut the penguin and pinecone to assemble on the snow. Also gives you a tip that instead of using chalk, you can make puffy snow. This is what it looks like. I don't really know how many copies they give you, but this is more than enough for my class. I only have 16, maybe 15 students when we come back, so love it. And the very, very last thing in the box is just the little flyer that tells you what's inside. And it also says that they're sending each person that received the January box. And then also says that they're including a digital resource this month. So they'll email that to every person that's subscribed. Resources just kind of go along with this month's crate. And then at the end, it gives you a little bit of a sneak peek of what's going to be in next month's box. So I don't really know what they look like, but they are including a shirt next month, which is great. I actually have last month's shirt in here. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!